Hi there. Hey, I'm Brent Offerdahl from Lightspeed Technologies. We're here at IDEAcon showcasing our instructional audio equipment. We've got lots of things that we're doing. We have all kinds of systems to fit your need at school districts across the country. Um, we have installed systems, which is like our Top Cat system right here, as far as our 975 that can go into systems like that. We have our brand new mobile PA system, which is right here. And then our most popular seller is the Red Cat, which is portable, plug and play, ready to go right out of the box, and have instructional audio into your classroom within about 2 minutes. So our systems are there so that we can make sure every kid hears every word of instruction. There's no doubt that if kids can't hear, it's impossible to learn. All the other technologies blend right into our equipment. We can put audio inputs into anything you plug into your computer, anything that you play up on an interactive board. All of our systems are built so that every kid can hear every word. And if you want to know more about our company, go to lightspeed-tech.com, and we're here to help you out. Thank you.